Guys, everyone, I'm Neat and I want to help you make your video look good. I want to help you make your video look nice. I want to help you in your content creation process. And today I want to talk about creating pace, creating cadence, creating rhythm in your video to help retain people's attention. One of the most used cuts on YouTube right now is jump cut. And I mean, when it's used, it's really a dry cut. Yeah, there is no space at all. And most content creators on YouTube using this technique is using this to create pace and also to create this sense that there is always something going on in the video. The video is moving forward. It keeps on moving. It's not stopping. It keeps on moving. To use these jump cuts, it's very easy. You just really look at the audio and look at the space that is there, and you eliminate the space between the audios. I want to help you in your content creation process. And today I want to talk about creating. I want to help you in your content creation process. And today I want to talk about creating pace. You can hear it in the audio. The video keeps on going. It's not stopping. So don't miss out. That's the idea behind it. Don't miss out on anything at all, because this video is not going to stop. I mean, the train has left the station and it's not going to stop. Now, you guys are not going to see this in movies, because in movies, most of the time, if not all of the time, cuts are calculated so that it happens seamlessly. But on YouTube, of course, I think it started when, people didn't really have the time to focus on cutting and transition and stuff like that, and it's like we just got used to it. We get used to watch things like this. Now, if you want to make the cut less obvious, don't move as much. Just simple. Because if you do like this when you talk, like if you move too much when you talk and you make the cut just like this, you see all the cutting and the moving and the jerking here and there because it's a jump cut. Here's the real reason why we want to do this. All of us make mistakes when we, shoot these videos. Even when we use a teleprompter, we still make mistakes. And it's very tempting, especially as a beginner, especially as a content creator which is, starting editing. It's very tempting to just use the fading transition. But the fading transition, here's the problem with the fading transition. The fading transition actually needs space, literal space on your timeline to create the transition from one clip to another. And it becomes a problem when there is not enough space between the two clips, especially in audio, because you lose some of the audio that you want people to hear, right? You are talking, you are saying something, and you want people to hear it, but you lose some of it because you're using the fading transition. What do you guys usually do to try to retain your viewers' attention when you create your content on YouTube? Let's talk about that in the comment section, guys. We might help one to try to retain your viewers' attention when you create your content on YouTube. Let's talk about that in the comment section, guys. So I would really suggest to just use jump cuts or any other cutting techniques instead of transition, especially when we talk about talking heads like this, YouTube talking like this. Anyway, guys, that's all I have for this one. I hope you guys got some value from this video. And if you did, press that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and push the notification bell so that you will never miss any content from this channel. And I will see you guys in the next one, hopefully. Peace.